Hey guys, this is my new YouTube channel, You Fitness. Please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for instant notification. Watch the video fully to have a clear vision of what I'm going to say.
What is a keto diet? Today we are going to see about keto diet, how that it works. At first, this diet was used for epilepsy patients, which was coined by Russell Wilder in 1924. Many people think keto diet as a fat diet, but it is not. Let's see what this will do. Let us see first what happens when we eat our food. When we actually eat food, it is converted as energy in the form of glucose in the blood. When there is an increase in glucose in blood, our pancreas will produce insulin. Insulin produced in the pancreas will shuttles the glucose from the blood into the muscle cells. This is how our food is converted as energy. Now let us come to keto diet. Keto diet will be mainly of high fat, high protein and very low carbs or fibrous vegetables. When there is no carbs to digest, there won't be any glucose production. When there is a drop in glucose level in blood, the enzyme lipase comes into act. The enzyme lipase actually tear down your fat tissues and sends the fatty acids to liver. The liver metabolizes the fatty acids and convert it as energy and sends it to blood. When this process happens, it also produces ketone bodies. That's why this process is called ketosis. The ketone bodies can suppress the excessive firing of neurons during an epileptic seizures. Keto diet, which have been used in the treatment of epilepsy, later many bodybuilders used in their diet and found a great result because it is a high caloric diet and helps you in maintaining your muscle mass during a fat loss. A keto diet can turn you into a fat burning furnace because it has no carbs in it or a very low carb and helps you to burn more fat. Hope you all got to know about what is keto diet and how it works.
I have given the book link in description where I have got this information. Also my Telegram group where you can chat with me. Follow me on Instagram or Facebook. Like the video, comment if you have any doubts, share to few of your friends, subscribe and thanks. Have a nice day.